The U.S. Federal Reserve has left interest rates unchanged in its first meeting since President Donald Trump took office. It also gave an optimistic outlook of the U.S. economy that suggested the Fed was on track to tighten monetary policy this year. Aram has more.
The Fed on Wednesday kept its benchmark rate in a range of 0.5% to 0.75% and said the outlook for the U.S. economy remained positive. In a unanimous statement, the central bank said measures of consumer and business sentiment have improved. It highlighted that the unemployment rate, currently at 4.7%, was still hovering near its recent low. The Fed also said that it still expects inflation to rise to its 2% target in the medium term. But the U.S. central bank gave no firm signal on the timing of its next rate move, something investors were hoping to get guidance on. Back in December, the Fed raised the benchmark rate only for the second time in a decade and hinted at 3 rate hikes this year. Pundits believe the next rise could be delayed as uncertainty still lingers regarding the details and timing of U.S. President Donald Trump's economic plans, most of which are expected to fuel inflation. However, the central bank insisted that increases would be gradual, as faster rate hikes to curb rapid inflation could be dangerous. Meanwhile, the dollar and U.S. stock markets were little changed, as investors had widely expected the Fed to leave rates untouched. Aram, Arirang News.